welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off pop-up blocker on your Mac and on your Safari browser. So to do this, we just need to open the Safari browser. And after that, open any website. For example, I'm going to open Bing. And to enable the pop-up, you just need to go and click on Safari. After that, click on Settings. And after that, go to Websites. And on Websites here, you have, normally will be on the top of the list. You need to scroll down a little bit until you find pop-up windows. And as you can see here, there is the website of Bing. And the normal setting is block and notify. You click on it and change it to allow. And like that, you will allow pop-up windows from the website of Bing. And of course, you can apply this method to any website that you want. I hope that you liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.